What's the meaning of consternation? Consternation. Consternation.
Consternation. Consternation. Consternation is a feeling of sudden surprise, confusion, and anxiety that often arises from an unexpected or shocking event. It can also be described as a state of great fear or dismay that arises when one is faced with a situation that is beyond their control or comprehension. People may experience consternation in response to a wide range of stimuli, such as bad news, a sudden change in circumstances, or a failure to achieve a desired outcome. This emotional state can lead to feelings of helplessness, uncertainty, and even despair.